is Subarayan Poche. I am one of the CRM Plus users. I have been using CRM Plus for now almost more than a year. I use it for contacting my customers, posting social media posts. So now I'm trying to expand using different features of the CRM Plus. The reason for me attending this conference is to learn the intricacies and a higher level functionality of the CRM Plus. I found this workshop to be very useful, and I was able to connect the face behind the screen. Whenever I needed help, I could contact the customer service team, and now I can connect with the face and the name. I'm really glad I am signed up for this workshop. Thank you.